Alright class, in this video I want to quickly take us through the syllabus. I won't go through every detail, but you want to because you want to make sure that you read it thoroughly for yourself. But I will just point out a couple of things that I want to emphasize. So this is an online course. And everything is done online. It's not a hybrid course. And it is an asynchronous online course, meaning that there are no times when we all have to be online together. Our textbook is listed here, and you can get an e-copy of that. You can rent it. Those options are pretty inexpensive. Course description and goals. I won't go through that. I do want to talk about attendance. So I'm just going to read from here. There is no attendance grade. However, I do take weekly attendance. Your attendance will be determined by your participation in the online course. So our online forum acts as our in-class discussions. So it's very important that you are actively involved in those. Each week we'll have 2 forums. You are required to post on at least 2 different days to each of the forums, excluding week 1 introductions. Your first post must be on or before 11:55 p.m. on Tuesday of each week. So, except for week 1 where we have our introduction, which is just 1 post, and our second post, which requires 2, so that's 3. In subsequent weeks, you will be required to post at least 4 times. Now, if by chance you miss posting on Tuesday for your initial post, you can still post at a later date. It will just affect your grade. Adequate posts should be succinctly well written, range from 200 to 250 words, demonstrate critical thinking and quality of discussion. Because each forum may ask you to include particular information, please be sure to read carefully each forum's prompt. I will not make a strong presence in our discussion forums, but please know that I'm reading your discussions. Just keep in mind that there are no set days or times that you must post, other than being sure your first post to both forums is made on or before 11:55 on Tuesday, and that your second posts are made by the end of the week. And just as a note, please do not copy and paste from other students' posts or copy and paste to your response post from an initial post. Please make sure that your HTU mailbox is empty and that you're checking it daily. That will be our primary form of communication. In the course, under course mates, that's how I send emails, because it's quick and easy and I don't have to go in and search for your email. Sometimes students will request that I use a personal email, Gmail, Yahoo, and my preference is to not do that, because then that means, it requires me to remember, oh yeah, the student doesn't check his or her HT email, and rather than go through that, I prefer that you just keep a close watch on your HTU email. As a general rule, I don't offer extra credit or makeup assignments, so just do the best you can to get everything in as instructed. So these are our major assignments. Our letter memo assignment, which we begin this week, definition, description, a proposal, progress report, resume, letter of interest, and a website. For the most part, the assignments consist of a topic proposal, working draft, peer review, and final draft. For some assignments, we won't do a topic proposal. For example, for our first assignment, the letter and memo, there is no topic proposal. But there is working draft, peer review, and final draft. And then evaluation percentages. And then I tried to include a detailed course schedule. If you notice that any dates are incorrect or have any questions, or if information in the course schedule doesn't align with what's in the weekly overview, if you see any discrepancies, please let me know, and I will take care of those immediately. I look forward to a great semester. Send me an email if you have any questions or concerns. Talk with you later. Bye.